Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE RedMagic 6R, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer. Let's tap on contacts and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this, let's say, profile icon, and here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, so the previously taken picture. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Now let's enter the album where the photo is and tap on it. And here from this step we can change the, first of all, the size of this highlighted square. We can change the position of it. Unfortunately, we cannot zoom in or out the photo. So let's just make the square bigger, and thanks to this, by changing the position of it, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So just set it like you want to, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on OK. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the contact, and you will be able to see it, for example, whilst all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your ZTE RedMagic 6R. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.